Today we're going to take a quick look at this hair clipper set. The company sent this over and compensated me to make this video. So let's take a look at what comes in the box. This is packed full, so it's got all kinds of stuff. It's got 13 different guards here, so these range in sizes from like 3mm to 25mm in the black. And then you have these ones just for, like the angled ones, just for trimming around the ears, left and right side. And then it goes 32mm, 38mm, 51mm. So technically 3mm to 51mm, and then a couple of other ones for the sides. And then you also have your comb, your oils, your trimmers themselves, or your clippers themselves. And then you got a couple different blades here. So you have a T-shaped blade and then the U-shaped blade. I'll show you how those work. And you also get the precision blade that comes on it. Here's a little cleaning brush. It is rechargeable, which is pretty cool. So USB-C, and then you get the apron as well. So you get a full kit here. So it's gonna be great for either like if you're a barber, maybe you're just starting out, you just need something to get going with, or maybe you want to do your own hair at home, then this is going to be a great option for you as well. So as far as the blades go, these are really simple to get on and off. Just push this, pull it out like that. You don't want to grab it by this and try to pull it off. Just simply slide it out, and that's it. And then you can slide this one on just like that. And it's really simple, and you can easily do that with all three of them. Now this one does have the precision dial on there, so you can really dial that in. So it's going to move this ceramic portion right here back and forth, so you can really get in and dial that process in. So I was able to use this to cut my beard earlier, so this is not only for your hair, but also for your face. So did a really phenomenal job. Was really impressed with it. And I like that it has a couple different speed modes on here, and it's all controlled by your thumb. So you can put it in this mode, or you can put it in the turbo mode, I believe is what they call it. So it's got on, off, and turbo. And then you also have the indicator lights here as well. So if you're charging it or whatnot, trying to see what the battery life is, you can do that. So I love that it's rechargeable. I love that it comes with everything you need. So if you're looking for a really nice clipper set, this might be the one for you. Hope this helps.